Good afternoon. I'm Marcelo Rodrigo, a second-year BSIT student at Southwestern University, Finma. Has found the PE Fitness program to be a pivotal experience in my academic journey, dedicated to enhancing both physical fitness and overall well-being. SWU offers diverse array of activities tailored or individual preferences and abilities. Whether participating in team sports, engaging in solo workouts, or delving in nutrition and fitness principles, we students benefit from a program that prioritizes enjoyable and interactive exercise experiences. Beyond a physical health, the program aims to cultivate habits that support of a long-term mental well-being, empowering us students to achieve our fitness goals while fostering a harmonious lifestyle. So my personal journey within the PE, the program reflects its transformative impact. Initially motivated to improve physical fitness, I discovered a range of activities from rigorous cardio routines to team sports that not only challenged me physically but also deepened my understanding of fitness principles and nutrition. The program's holistic approach not only boosts my confidence and endurance and strength but also enhanced my with the group exercises and the guidance of supportive instructors, enrich my experience and maintained my health. Like a trainee, as a trainee, I want to be focused on learning, seeking mentorship, and overcoming challenges like the imposter syndrome and time management to grow professionally and personally, while also prioritizing self-care and continuous development for a long-term success. So, manghapon sir, ako si Marcelo Rodrigo, sa Southwestern University, Timba. Ako dahil kay usa na kasi kami side student. So, nangita ko mga regular exerciser o conduct mga kuan mangita og interview, mangita og mga regular exerciser. So, before ta mag-start, panday ko sa inyong name.
Na kung ngalan kay si Andres.
So, hello Andres, kanang naday tay mag-interview day ko nimo mga about yung ugaling nanong na usa regular exercises. So, una nang pangutana kay unsa nga klase sa lifestyle nga nakakaron nganong ipili nimo nga lifestyle?
Ang na lifestyle na karon mo ang pag-exercise sama sa jogging, curl up, push up ug uban pa.
So, salamat sa answer. So, ikaduha, unsa nga hinungdan nganong naka-realize ka nga engage og mga physical activities ug unsay nagpa-motivate nimo?
Ang dako ginhinungdan nga na motivate ko na mag-exercise kay tagan mo gud ng mga tao na dali ra sila nasakit, so na-motivate ko na mag-exercise para dili ko masakit ug dali dayon himsog ang paglawas.
So, salamat sa iyong tubag. So, mo din ang last na ko ikatulo nga pangutana. As usa ka regular exerciser, unsay matambag nimo sa mga wala interest o dili mag-exercise regularly o engage sa mga physical activities?
Ang akong bag nila na kinahanglan gyud ka mag-exercise kay mo kini makatabang sa tong lawas aron dili kita taptan og sakit.
So, salamat sa imong tubag o one day sa mga maghatag ka mga dili mag-exercise. So, daghang salamat. God bless. After interviewing an regular exerciser, I realized that having a exercise daily is very important than having no exercise. So I reflect that we should must exercise regularly and conduct physical activities like push up, curl ups, and that's all.